Model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro 2901.6 Cdti needs turbo engine, runs perfect, Euro 6 ULEZ compliant, VAT included, bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 167,000. MOT, the 28th of March 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job, will be an absolute bargain for someone who fixes it themselves, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us.